Welcome in new video. Today we'll be taking this axle apart, so I can just put it away somewhere where it waits to get new bushings and new paint, and then in the end we'll be putting it in the car. So yeah, let's get into it. So this is a new video from a new series where we'll be firstly we'll be preparing the compact for a 6-cylinder, and next we'll be swapping the 6-cylinder engine. So let's start by loosening the axles, because this nut is pretty tight in there. So firstly I will loosen the axles while the brakes are still in there, and next we'll start taking down the brakes, the control arms, and well, the rest. Okay, the axles are loose. Only took me about 45 minutes. But now I will turn the axle like upside down again, and we will start taking out the brakes. And also in the process I managed to broke both the swivel end links. They are both broken. And also my coffee got completely cold. This brake disc is like so huge. Like these are from the rear, and it's bigger than I have my Volvo in the front, I think. That's crazy. And also these brakes are almost brand new, including this shield. Like most of the price that I paid for the whole axle was just for the new brakes. They are almost like new. These brake shoes, I don't know, but I don't think that these are new. But the discs and the brake pads and the brake shields are almost new. Okay, the left side is almost done. It's just the axle and this control arm, and this side is done. But now let's take the axle out and let's look at something interesting. Look, this is the old axle from the compact that we broke, and this is the new one. Like this is from the right side, this is from the left side, so it's a bit shorter. The longer one is there. But like, just look at how much like bigger in diameter it is. Like, wow, like this is like a toothpick. Oh my god, that will be so good. Okay, so now this side is almost done. There is just this control arm left, but I need to access the bolt from the bottom. So right now I'm gonna start, I'm gonna take apart this side. That should be easier because I already took that part out, so I know what goes where and all this. Now what is left to take out is these control arms, then the sway bar and the differential, and I want to take the flanges off from the differential and put them on the axles so that I can sell the differential on Craigslist. But today my time has run out, so this is really not a lot of work. So tomorrow I will take this apart and just put all this somewhere where it doesn't take that much space, because this bike is going to be taken apart completely again, and for almost last time. Okay, so we have next day. Yesterday we left off here, so there is not much to do, and that is good because I don't have much time. But you know what? It's 9 p.m. Look, it's almost 9 degrees outside. Like the inside here is colder than the outside. Like, that's crazy. So I have both of my doors open to bring the heat in here. I'm so excited. I think that spring is coming back finally. Okay, let's finish this. Then I will have to kinda organize it all. So yeah. Okay, I also managed to broke this while I was taking it off, but this subframe is like pretty rusty. Like, look at what's falling out of it. I mean, I don't think that it would have been safe to use this for a drift car. So yeah, this is gone. Okay, and so just like that, the axle is in pieces. I won't be mostly doing anything with it at the moment. I will just sort it out, clean it in here, because look, all this rust fell out from the subframe, so it's pretty rusty, I know. But it's going to trash anyway. Next, so I need to clean all this, put it in order, mark the right side, the left side, so I remember that, and we will start working on this bike. So yeah, and also I have a good message. It's been, I think, a week since I changed these two tires, and I thought that they will be leaking like pretty bad, but today they are still on 3.5 bar, so they didn't leak. They don't leak at all, at least right now when they are not driven. So yeah, that's good. And so I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see how this project continues. And see you in the next video.